So this is just a quick video just to show you what I'm experiencing. You might remember I had an 8902A and I had a failure of the front end amp on it, and that amplifier is now unobtainium. I sent it off to Keysight because they said they could actually repair those amplifiers, and they gave me a quote of $8,000 to repair. So I'm elected not to do that repair. I went out onto eBay and I found a vendor that was selling a fully tested, supposedly fully tested 8920A that still has a valid Keysight calibration. I thought that's pretty awesome. The calibration is about $600, so that's great. I'm happy to pay $1,400 for the unit and effectively $600 for the calibration. So the unit just arrived today. I pulled it out of the box, put it up on the bench, and started playing around with it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I just turned the unit on, and we'll go and just reset it. And my signal generator is an 8657B, and it is set for 10 megahertz. And you'll notice that what's happening is the signal is occasionally dropping out, and it's not detecting the signal. You'll see the display will disappear. There we go. Now that's not the only problem with it. If we go in and have a look at IM, you'll see that I have my signal generator set for 50% amplitude modulation at 1 kilohertz. We'll see the value there. It's showing 50. I'm getting 1 kilohertz of modulation. But again, we'll see the items drop out a little bit. Now, the other problem that is going on here is if I connect to the calibrator and I press calibrate, what it's supposed to do is go and find a signal out of the calibration port here, and then give me a value around 100%, showing that it's what it's reading, and then I can calibrate that up. And so what you can see here is that nothing comes in. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if in a bit we'll see an error 08 appear, which is telling me that the calibrator, well, there's something wrong with the calibrator. I need to check for it. Now, to do that check, I'd have to violate the Keysight calibration, which is one of the reasons that I paid top dollar for this measuring receiver, was that it was fully tested supposedly and had been calibrated, and so it should have all been working. Anyway, I'm going to leave this run for a bit, and we'll see if we catch we'll see if we get a calibration signal in a moment. Okay. Oh, and there you go. You just saw the error 8 flash up, and now it's going off, trying, I guess, to lock onto the calibrator. I'm not sure what's happening there. Anyway, let's reset the system. Select FM, and now I should be reading FM modulation. Let's hit calibration again. And again, you see nothing comes in there. I've switched my signal generator over to FM modulation, and if we plug in there, I'll probably get 25% or 25 kilohertz modulation there. Let's start that again. Okay. And interestingly, with frequency modulation, it doesn't seem to want to lock in on the frequency signal at all. Let me turn that modulation off. Yep. So it looks like now it doesn't want to lock into the signal at all. Let's reset that, see if that makes a difference. No, and it looks like now it's fallen over completely. Not locking onto anything. So that makes this thing pretty much worthless. Yep. Alright, well, it looks like this will be heading back. Alright, bye.